Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and honestly, this thing feels like Google finally got foldables right. Design and display. Let's start with the design. The hinge is smoother, the build feels solid, and overall it's thinner than before. When you unfold it, you get this massive 8-inch Super Actua Flex OLED display. It's super bright, buttery smooth, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and just stunning to look at. And the outer display? A very comfortable 6.3 inches. So even when it's folded, it feels like a regular premium phone. Protected with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so you don't have to worry too much about scratches, performance, and AI under the hood. It's running on Google's Tensor G4 chip with 16 gigs of RAM, which means it's crazy fast and super efficient. But what really makes it stand out is the built-in Gemini AI. It can help you edit photos, summarize text, enhance videos, and even handle smart voice commands. It's like having an AI assistant that's actually useful. Camera setup. Now, cameras. This is where Pixel always shines. You've got a 48 megapixel main lens, a 10.5 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10.8 megapixel telephoto with 5 times optical zoom. So whether you're shooting photos, vlogs, or cinematic clips, this setup won't disappoint. And here's what I love. That big inner screen can act as a viewfinder, which is amazing for creators. You can literally see yourself while recording. Perfect for content shooting battery and durability. The battery's pretty solid too, around 6 to 7 hours of screen on time depending on your usage. It's water resistant with an IPX8 rating, feels premium, and the hinge is noticeably more durable than before. Price and verdict. Of course, all this goodness comes at a price. It starts around $1,799. Yeah, it's expensive, but when you look at everything it offers, power, performance, cameras, AI features, and that foldable experience, it's honestly one of the best foldables out there right now. So, should you buy it? If you're into content creation, multitasking, or just love having the latest and smartest tech, then yes, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a great choice. But if you don't really care about the foldable form and just want performance, the regular Pixel 9 Pro might save you some money. So, what do you think about Google's new Pixel 9 Pro Fold? Would you go for it or stick with a standard flagship? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest tech updates and gadget reviews right here on the channel.